I've been making my way through the Agatha Christie novels, and I recently reviewed the first Poirot mystery, The Mysterious Affair at Styles, on this channel. I'll put the review down below in the description if you want to check it out and if you haven't already watched it. The second one, The Murder on the Links, is something I didn't read now because I've already read it in the past and reviewed it. I'll put that review also down below in the description. And this time, I decided to pick up the third book in the Poirot mystery series, which is Poirot Investigates. Now, this is quite different. This is not like one mystery, okay? This is not like one novel. This is a collection of short stories. So if you're looking for short stories, you might consider this book, but then you have to watch this whole review to actually consider it or not, to actually know whether you want to consider it or not. So let's start this spoiler-free review of Poirot Investigates by Agatha Christie. If you're new here, hi there, I'm Manpreet. I make book-related videos on this channel, and if you want bookish videos, bookish recommendations, bookish reviews, please make sure you subscribe and follow me on my social media, especially Instagram, for real-time updates. Anyway, let's talk about this book, Poirot Investigates. I honestly did not like this book, to be very blunt. It's a collection of short stories, and these short stories have different topics. All of them are not murder mysteries, okay, which most of the Poirot books are. Some of them are about theft, some of them are just, about wittiness, and of course a few of them are actually murder mysteries. There are 11 short stories in this book. Now you'll be like, Manpreet, you love Agatha Christie, and you love, how she writes, you love her writing, which all of it is true, okay? I do. I love her writing. I love the murder mysteries she writes. She has this cozy mystery genre going on with her writing, and I love it. But this one was not so enjoyable for me because I feel like this whole, each of the story was like, you get the facts, and then Poirot is like, I know who did it, and then he's like, yeah, this one did it. So there was no guessing for you. As a reader, you were not involved in the book. Best kind of mystery novels, suspense thrillers, and all of those are when you are involved, when you are guessing, okay? You're doing the guesswork, you're doing the detective work, you are thinking who could be the person who did it. But this one didn't give you a chance to do that. This one just laid out the facts, and in the next moment, Poirot was like, I know it, and everything was revealed. Now, it could be because these were short stories, but I don't think that was the reason. The problem with this one was not that they were short. The problem with this one was that they were, just too much like Poirot knows everything. So you give him the facts, and they are not even like the full facts, and he just guesses the situation, and you as a reader are not involved, you as a reader are not interested, you as a reader are like, okay, whatever. So that really put down my experience with this book. So I personally would not recommend you to pick up this book unless you are doing a project like I am doing, that is trying to read all the Agatha Christie novels. I would say do not pick this one, skip this one, and read other Agatha Christie novels. I have reviewed quite a few of those, and I'll put the links down below in the description, and I'll definitely come up with more reviews and reviews of the next books in the Poirot series, and even like other mysteries like Marple Mysteries, Tommy and Tuppence, and all of that. So I gave it 3 out of 5 stars. I would not recommend it, but if you want to read it, nobody can stop you, so go ahead. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really want to keep these videos short because book reviews are not something that people actually like to watch on the channel, but I love doing them. I love being able to answer in the form of a video. Like a lot of people ask me, have you read this book? Like there is a speech I have ready for that, and I can give that speech only through this medium. So yes, if you're watching this video, you have really supported me to continue doing these kind of book review videos, so thank you so much. If you really want to continue giving your support to me for these kind of videos, please make sure you hit a thumbs up to tell the YouTube algorithm like these kind of videos are good, let Manpreet make them. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this one. This is Manpreet signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.